Hey guys, today I can announce, and I'm very proud and happy, that Jayanam reached 100,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Thank you very much. As a small return to you, I prepared some game assets as giveaways that you can use as you like. Let's have a look. The first one is this moving platform. In the previous tutorial I explained how to create this using Blender and Unity, but now this is included in the free version of the Unity Low Poly Game Kit. Here you can see the page of the asset store. The link is added to the description below. And as you might know, there is a Pro version as well, with many more interesting features. The second giveaway is this Stylized Tombstone. Here you can see it in a default scene in Unity 2019. It has some nice PBR textures, an albedo, roughness and a normal map. I exported this as Unity package, but also as a zip file, so that you can use the model, which is in FBX format, in other game engines or modeling applications as well. You find this here on my Patreon page as a public and free download. Use it in your games or wherever you like. Okay guys, thank you once more for your support. If you have new ideas or tutorial requests, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, and I see you in the next one on Jayanam.